Good morning, students. Welcome back to SST class, and today we will start chapter number 8, that is Festivals of India. So, let us see getting started. Which festival will you be celebrating this month? Find out from your parents, teachers, and paste its picture in the given box. Write the day and date on which it will fall. You have to write the day and date of the festival, and you have to paste the picture of this festival here, which will be celebrated in this month. Okay, now let us begin. A festival is a special occasion of celebration and festing. So, what is festival? A festival is a special occasion of celebration. When we celebrate and we feast, together we do party. Okay. People wear new clothes in festivals. Okay. On festivals. So people wear new clothes on festivals. They sing and dance, pray and worship. Whenever there is any festival, people wear new clothes. They sing, they dance, they pray and worship. They also decorate their homes, visit their friends and families with gifts, make special foods and sweets. During the time of festival, we decorate our home, we visit our friends and families with gifts and make some special food and sweets. Okay, festivals play an important role in bringing unity in diversity. They teach us to live in harmony. Many religious and harvest festivals are celebrated all over the country throughout the year. So, in our country, people of different caste they live together. So, there are different kinds of festival, and we all celebrate it together. So, there is unity in diversity. It teaches us to live together. Okay, and many religious and festivals and harvest festivals are celebrated all over the country throughout the year. Now, national festivals are important days in the history of our country. What are national festivals? National festivals are important days in the history of a country. Religious festivals are celebrated as special prayers to gods and goddesses. Religious festivals are celebrated as special prayers to gods and goddesses. Harvest festivals are based on changes in the season, based on the changes in the season. So harvest festivals are based on the changes in the seasons. Now coming to national festivals, the whole nation comes together to celebrate a national festival. We all, people who are living in one country, we all get together to celebrate our national festivals. National festivals honor great historical events in a country. So national festivals honor great historical events in a country. We are filled with a strong feeling of patriotism on these occasions. हमारे दिल में क्या होता है? देशभक्ति जाग उठता है in these occasions. Okay, so we celebrate these three national festivals in India. Okay, first is Independence Day. Patriotism means deshbhakti. Okay, we are filled with strong feeling of patriotism on this occasion. Independence Day, that is celebrated on 15th August. 15th August is celebrated as Independence Day every year. हर साल 15th अगस्त में हम लोग इंडिपेंडेंस डे मनाते हैं. On this day, India got freedom from British rule in 1947. In the year 1947, India got freedom from British rule. A grand function is held at Red Fort. In Red Fort, a grand function is held. Okay, in Delhi on this day. You can see the picture of celebration of Independence Day at Red Fort, Delhi. You can see here. So a grand function is held here, and the Prime Minister hosts the flag. So here in Delhi on this day, the Prime Minister of India hosts the national flag and addresses the nation. Prime Minister, he hosts the national flag and after that he addresses the nation. लोगों से बातें करते हैं. Okay, Prime Minister. Flag hosting के बाद. People pay homage, that means respect, to the brave soldiers who laid down their lives for freedom at India Gate, Rajpath, New Delhi. Okay, people pay homage, people pay respect to the brave soldiers who laid their lives, जिन्होंने अपना जान दी है, जो सोल्जर्स ने अपना जान दिया है फ्रीडम के लिए, उनको रेस्पेक्ट देने के लिए पीपल उनको रेस्पेक्ट देते हैं. कहाँ? इंडिया गेट, राजपथ, न्यू दिल्ली. ओके, नाउ कम्स रिपब्लिक डे. 26 January is celebrated as Republic Day every year. On this day, India became a republic in 1950. India became republic when? In 1950. A grand parade is held at Rajpath in Delhi on this day. You can see this is Rajpath in Delhi. Grand parade is taking place here. Okay. So this is celebrated on 26 January. Now soldiers of Army, Air Force and Navy march down the Rajpath. All the soldiers who are in Army, in Air Force or in Navy, they march in the Rajpath. School children and folk dancers from different states of India take part in it. Even the school children, folk dancers from different states, they come and take part in this celebration. Okay, beautiful tablus from every state also take part in the parade. The president gives award to the brave soldiers who have distinguished themselves. He also honors brave children with bravery award. Okay. So beautiful tableaus from every state also take part in the parade. Now what do you mean by tableaus? Tableaus means a group of models or motionless figures representing a scene from a story. Any story is represented, okay, through group of models or through motionless figures. Means means people stand like a statue representing a story, okay, from history, taken from history. So these beautiful tableaus from every state also take part in the parade, and the president, he gives award to the brave soldiers who have distinguished themselves, and he also honors brave children with bravery award. जो children बहुत brave होते हैं, जिन्होंने कुछ ऐसा काम किया हो जो बहुत सारे बच्चे नहीं कर सकते, वो अपना ब्रेवरी दिखाया हो, तो उनको ब्रेवरी अवार्ड दिया जाता है. ओके, एंड प्रेसिडेंट ऑल्सो गिव्स अवार्ड्स टू द ब्रेव सोल्जर्स ऑल्सो. नाउ लेट अस मूव ऑन to Gandhi Jayanti. The birth anniversary of the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October every year. Gandhi Jayanti हम सेलिब्रेट करते हैं 2nd October को. Every year we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. It is the birth date of Mahatma Gandhi, whom we call the father of the nation. Mahatma Gandhi is also called the father of the nation. A prayer meeting is held at his samadhi at Rajghat in New Delhi. So a prayer meeting is also held at his samadhi, which is in Rajghat. Mahatma Gandhi's samadhi is in Rajghat, New Delhi. Okay. Now let us move on to religious festivals. Holi. Holi is celebrated as the onset of spring in February or March. When we celebrate Holi? In February or in March. It is called the festival of colors. Holi is also called festival of colors. The celebration begins with bonfire on the first day. As we know, before Holi we burn fire, that is bonfire. Okay, that is जिसको हम लोग अगजा जलाना कहते हैं in Hindi. That is done on the first day. On the second day, people get together and play with colors called gulal. On the second day, people play with gulal. Okay. And the children use water guns called pitchkaris. Children also use water guns which are called pitchkaris. And crops like wheat, gram and mustard are ready for harvest. During this time, crops like wheat, gram and mustard, they are ready for harvest. Okay. So let us move on to next page. That is Basant Panchami. Basant Panchami is celebrated in the beginning of the spring season and people fly kites on this day and worship goddess Saraswati. So Basant Panchami is celebrated in the beginning of spring season and people fly kites on this day and worship goddess Saraswati. So here it is given that prepare a table of harvest festivals in India under the column heading name of the state, special name for the festival, manner it is celebrated, any special features. In different places, harvest festival is celebrated in a different way. So you have to do is, what you have to do, you have to write the name of the state and the special name of the festival and how it is celebrated. Okay. Cows are worshipped as goddess Lakshmi during Pongal in Tamil Nadu. So cows are worshipped as goddess Lakshmi during Pongal in Tamil Nadu. So children, today we are ending our class today. Okay. In the next video, I will discuss the next full chapter and then I will discuss the question answers. Okay. So till then you read up to here and try to find out if you have any doubt. Read the chapter and try to understand it. Okay. So till then, bye. Take care and thank you, children.